Hey, what is going on, guys? Alex here from funnelempire.co, and first of all, shout out to being the first person I know, and let me know if you have seen anyone else do this, but using the Animoji for an IGTV video. It is tricky. I wanted to really try and figure out how to do it. It was difficult to record for such a long period of time, but we're here. Now, the topic I want to speak about today is Shopify and ClickFunnels and why you need both. Okay, so we've worked with a lot of e-com store owners that have a Shopify store, but they have new products that are coming out, and typically what they would do is send ads to the new products directly on our Shopify store just to test to make sure these products work. But then if they do work, of course, they then start to slowly scale the ads. But what we could do as well to increase the revenue that we can make on this single product, if this is the type of launch that we're going with, is we would take that product once we have proven that it converts, we would take it into a ClickFunnels page, and then we would really create a sales page designed for that product, which really sells that product. Testimonials in the right place. We're giving information about what it is, what it does, refunds, frequently asked questions, etc., etc. And we take people through the whole sales process, giving them very easy to do one-click upsells, and it really then changes to how we can increase the average cart overall. So instead of just having single purchases, we're really now trying to push out how much profit we're making on a single product. And we can easily test this and replace products and change buttons and layouts and styles with inside of ClickFunnels. Whereas Shopify, of course, you do have some capability with Zipify pages. I know Ezra brought out Zipify pages. One-click upsell is a direct integration and stuff like that as well. But for the speed and the time it takes and what you can really do with inside of ClickFunnels, we would just want to recommend. But if you are running a Shopify store and you have proven a product is working and is converting and is making you money or even break even, that is something that we can then take inside of a funnel and completely blow up. So if you haven't used ClickFunnels before, head over to ClickFunnels. You can get a free trial. I'll drop a link below here where you can get it sign up, where it's an extended 30-day trial. So go to that link below if you want to sign up for ClickFunnels and really just jump into it and see if you can create a quick page. Or of course, if you need any help with this, feel free to head over to our website, funnelempire.co, schedule a quick call with me, and we would love to discuss your product and how we can really blow up the average cart, how we can help you lower the costs to acquire these customers, and really see success on this campaign. So if you need any help, head over to there. I hope you enjoy this topic today. We are going to be doing quite a bit more e-commerce stuff in the future because we have had some great results and success with e-commerce, so stay tuned for that. And of course, if you don't follow us already, check us out and stay tuned for the next video.